Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in front of Festetics Palace. Festetics Palace? I think I'm saying it the way or I see it on the paper. Festetics is the way it looks. It's a palace in, what's the name of this town again? You try to remember one. Oops, let me do this.
Keszthely.
I'm in Keszthely, Hungary. Let's go look at this palace. So this is the gate, which is pretty amazing. And where am I at?
Keszthely.
That's right, Keszthely. Keszthely, and this is Phonetic Palace. Keszthely. I could probably say it a million times. Wow. That's beautiful. Wow. All right, where's the front? I think the front maybe this way. Wow. And what does this say? Historic Memorial. See, Festetics. Festetics. Or it's really this word. This is the court founded in Georgikon, which was okay. Wow, look at that building. That is amazing. Wow, wow. Wow. Get out of here. That's amazing. It's huge. That's wonderful. Let's go out here on the other side of this pond and see if I can get a full view of the whole place. Oh look, it has the word wow over there. This must be the right place. How much of the building can I get this way? Yeah, this little camera doesn't have a zoom out. Let me go a little further. I know why the fountain's not running. Because they call them icicles, not a fountain. Wow. I think I can keep backing up and I'm never going to get the whole thing. Wow, that's beautiful. What a building. And I have to go over here. This is perfect. Huh. Wow, Hungary. Very cool. All right. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, it looks like that's an exit maybe or something. Can I cut across the grass? Well, you just cut across the grass, but now I want to see the back of it. And the insides. It's supposed to have a mirror hall that's supposed to be amazing. Wow. And here's what it looks like. Oh, sorry. Cool. So we're here. That's the fountain I just did. And the little wow sign is right here. So this is what we're seeing now. So there is behind it. So let's go see behind it. Is there anything in English? Not a bit. Okay. And the guy with the fishes is supposed to be important as well. Is this the right one? Does he have a fish? No, maybe this isn't the right one. Cool. As I trample the garden here. Oh, and you can go in. How cool. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk around the outside and then I'll go inside and then we'll do the insides together. How's that sound? And I'll just make them 2 different videos. Ugh. Is that amazing? It's huge. I bet that tree's been there for 500 years too. Wow. Is that incredible? Look how big that thing is. Wow. Yeah, that's amazing. Look at that building. Wow. How many rooms are in this thing? 1,000 maybe? It's crazy. Man. Very cool. Very cool. All right. Well, let me take some pictures and then I'll go inside and we'll do the insides. Look at those horses too on that tower. That's really cool. You know, they just don't have a lot of this in Arizona or America. Wow. I brought my lunch too. So I'm gonna eat in front of this place if I can stand the cold. Okay, that's it. Thanks for coming with me to the outside of Festetics Palace. Let's go inside. I'll leave you with the killer shot there. Oh, too far. There we go. Okay, everybody. Bye-bye.